The day shadows went missing. The pups are getting ready for a sunny training day when... Marshall, confused. Ryder, where did my shadow go? Everyone looks down. No shadows anywhere. Skye, weird. Even the lighthouse has no shadow. Ryder, something's been stealing all the shadows in Adventure Bay. Paw Patrol Super Mode, let's shed some light on this mystery. Chase activates his night vision goggles to track invisible energy trails. Rocky scans the power grid. There's a light overcharge coming from the solar tower. Skye flies up and spots a giant glowing bubble trapping all the city's shadows. Rubble, whoa, that's one big soap bubble. Marshall, guess we're having a light problem today. Ryder and Rocky adjust the solar settings, while Skye releases the trapped shadows with a quick burst of cool air. Pop! The bubble bursts, and all the shadows swoosh back to their owners like boomerangs. Marshall happily, welcome back me, but darker. Skye, Adventure Bay's light and shadow are balanced again. Everyone strikes a heroic pose as their shadows mirror them perfectly. The Super Rescue Team and the Bubble Storm. Accidentally overpressurized and launched thousands of huge bubbles into the city. Some bubbles even lifted bicycles and kiosks, leaving them floating in the air. Ryder assigned the mission. Zuma guided the bubbles, drifting out toward the sea. Skye used her high-speed wings to catch the floating objects Rocky crafted special parts to redirect bubbles back into the machine, Chase, and Rubble. Gently help everyone on the ground avoid the bubble clouds. The system was stabilized. The entire square turned into a sparkling playground filled with shimmering bubbles. Everyone started the PAW control team. Skye giggled. This adventure smells like soap for sure. Bustling base, fixing the plane for the next mission. Huh?
What happened to that lighthouse? Let's go check it out. Let's go.
Sir, yes, sir!
Go, go, go!
Paw Patrol, the hidden heat wave. It's 60 degrees Celsius in Adventure Bay. Everyone thinks it's the sun until Skye spots a floating fire cloud above town. Marshall rushes in wearing his heat-proof suit. Just don't roast marshmallows on me, okay? Rocky builds a cool spin sprayer from old soda cans. Zuma releases a stream of cold water, and Skye's wind power cools the air. The fire cloud bursts into a giant soap bubble. Pop! Ryder laughs. Great teamwork, pups! Who's up for bubble games? Marshall, only if it doesn't pop in my face again. Paw Patrol, the Bouncing City. One bright morning, all of Adventure Bay started, bouncing like a trampoline. Buses bounced, trees bounced, even Ryder bounced 2 meters high. Ryder bounced 2 meters high. Chase scanned the air. The elastic energy's coming from the town square. Rocky discovered a street cleaning robot spraying bouncy foam everywhere. Zuma laughed. Hang on. I'm surfing the foam wave. Skye used wind thrusters to gather the foam. Chase vacuumed it up, and Rocky recycled it into safe playground cushions. Marshall cheered. Next time the city bounces, wake me up first. I don't want to sleep fly again.